Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Vinit Madhus. So friends, we just continue that series e-commerce using Vue.js and Laravel as backend. So in the previous video we just saved the data. So as we already discussed that in this video we just create the trades. So just if you like our video, please do the subscribe our channel and click on like button. If you want to support us or help us by any kind, you can also check out this link, and another link is also in the description box. Just you can also check out that link. Just go to the search and write trades, trades. So how to make trades in Laravel 10. So scroll down, like we have to create this uh, API response. So what we have to do, like we have to create app/trades folder and API response.php. So inside app we need to create trades. Yes, like this one. So inside app/trades we have to create a folder trades and create this file as well. So moving toward the code. So after app I will create a folder trades trades. After that create a file API response.php. Now simply go this and click on this copy button. We actually copy all the things. So going to this, paste it over here. It is very easy to copy and paste from the website. So simply go to any like tutorial. So click on copy the things that we copied. After that just simply paste over it. So after that what we have to do, we just simply use this app trades API response and also use into the class of controller. So firstly copy this app trades API response.php, go to the controller where we are storing the data, import the API response trades and also use API response.php inside the class. Save it. Now wherever we are using that return response JSON or return response like JSON, so we are just simply replace this by our code like this one, return this success and data, right? So data, we don't have any data. So what actually I will show you this file. We have two function over here, success and error. In success we are like $data string message and int code is equal to 200, right? Where status should be success message, the message we are sending, and the data whatever we are sending. And in the error the message string message is equal to null int code and $data. But as you can also see, success function we have fixed code 200, but in that error function whatever the code should be, we just send it over here, right? Also I do one more thing. Just placed a sequence like firstly we follow the same step, like we have first data, then message, then code, right? Save this. Now return success, successfully updated. And when we have error, go to this, message should be failed and the message should be $validator error first, blank error, data is equal to null, message is equal to null and int code. Okay, we just remove this and 400 code. right? But now if you can see, whenever we will update, it actually shows the error over here because it's a 400 request. So I will try to show you like this. Okay, in phone we only have to store the numeric option over here. When I've sent the changes, image field is required. Okay, firstly I actually remove that required option from here. Image field is required, provide control. Okay, they are on. Okay, so hit on save changes. The font must be a number. But it actually sends the 200 status code. Profile controller. Oh, actually I have bought the source code over here. Save changes. Now you can see that it actually goes into the red color. Why so? Because its status is 400. It doesn't go to the success, it actually go to the error part. So firstly we just make sort that thing as well, like we'll the code which also handle that error functionality as well. Just go to the components and footer.plate.php. Here we are defining the success function, and after that we are defining the error function as well. Error and but in the error function field is required. Just refresh it. Console dot log dot result. Okay, we already have console dot log dot result. What I want to show you that error doesn't come into the directly into the data part. Like if you go console dot log it, okay, control X, after error I'll store this console. Okay, refresh once again, sorry. Phone adding an error. Now in the error part, when it goes to the error function, it actually saves the data into response JSON. Yes, this one, response JSON message this. But when the part goes into the success part, it actually prints all the thing into the like it actually prints the status message and that one. But whenever it the error reflects, it stores the data into response JSON part, response JSON, that message, right? So we should have in the end result dot response JSON dot message, right? In the error part, sorry, control C, control Z. In the error part, alert this, control R. Again I'm creating an error of numeric, save changes. Now yes, the font field must be a number. So that's the thing. That's why I like to use traits in the in every like in every code in the controller. It actually helps whenever you are using in the mobile apps or in the web application to use the traits. So this is helpful for both the operating system, whether you are using like Windows, whether you are using web applications or Android or iOS applications, like in mobile applications simply. So we are using the traits part. So that's it for the video. So in the next video I'll try to show there a snack bar. Like here we are only getting the alert over here, but now I think there should be a snack bar of success or error, whatever we are getting from the backend. So hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and click on the like button. So if you want to support us or help us, just go to this spot link, or you can also check out in our website or in the description box as well. Thank you very much.